free from our own doom. Let's go ahead and fight 'em.